So Umberto, we're starting this quest, right, for the wife. I have one question for you. You've been here for a year and a half, right?
About a year and a half already, yes.
Right, you've been slacking. What's going on?
Not really. It's slacking. I've met a few people. I've dated quite a few people. But I've had some, not so good experiences. I even spent 4 months in the hospital.
Oh yeah, that's true.
So that's what slowed me down.
Yeah, it slowed you down pretty good. Basically, for those of you that doesn't know, Umberto spent a long time in the hospital, and he got an infection when he had, you got some water or something.
I had it's called bursitis on the knee when they removed the liquid from my knee and then put some cortisone in there. I guess where I got the cortisone infection.
Right.
It started burning and it developed into a major infection, and they found it was bursa. I had 5 surgeries, cleaning the leg.
Right. Yeah.
Nasty.
That was a nasty operation. Nasty. Well, then you're excused for slacking. At least a little bit.
Am I excused at least for 4 months?
Yeah, you're excused for 4 months. But it's going to be fun. But when you got here, you met somebody, and you had some. She was a nice girl. What happened there?
Roughly about a Christmas ago. My first experience with her family was we went out on our first date, and I had to go eat Christmas shopping for the entire family. Go figure.
So.
Anyways, not everybody's like that, I suppose. But
No. That's one thing here. We cannot put everybody over the same shade. So most Filipinos are good. I mean, I've been married to Janice now for August 15 of 2014. So it's going on almost 4.5 years.
She's delightful.
And she's been really good. And one of the things that for me was really good was that during our time of dating, which was about 15 or so months, she never once asked me for anything.
That's nice.
I had to offer it. And one of the things was when I really stepped in and helped a little bit was when they had Yolanda go down here.
That was a real tragedy.
Yeah, her family lost their house, and there was a lot of things. The roof was gone on the house and all kinds of stuff. All right, so Umberto, so we're gonna have a little quest. We're gonna follow you at least once a week. We're gonna try to do, and we're actually gonna create a playlist, and make sure that you be on this channel and you subscribe so you get these updates, because this is going to be fun. We're going to follow Umberto and we're going to see here.
I'll try to date at least once a week, okay?
Yeah.
I promise.
And we're going to follow you with the camera too when you're doing some of your dating.
Okay, that sounds like a plan.
So we're going to do kind of a reality show.
There you go.
It's going to be. I think it's going to be fun. So we'll try to do that. Now we'll see. Maybe we hook up with some other foreigners that are dating too, and we'll.
Sure, that sounds like a good idea.
Make a circus out of it.
Yes. As long as there's no girlfriend exchange program there.
No exchange program. No exchange program. We are going to behave. Let's put it that way.
We're going to behave.
We're adults.
And walking street is off limits.
Yeah. Walking street is
strictly
limits.
Nice, Kapampangan, good cook, good Christian girl.
Right.
Needs to be beautiful.
Right. And a lot of good ones comes from Samara.
Really?
Yeah.
We have to try.
Mine does. But watch out, she's a Warai.
Oh my God.
You know what that is, right?
No, explain.
Little feisty. That Spanish blood comes through quite a bit sometimes. But she has, I was just thinking about it today. She's the kindest person you can imagine. and she's going through some hardships right now too with her body, and we're going to try to help her out a little bit and see. All right, do you have anything else?
Well, young Filipinas, I'm here looking for a beautiful wife, and hopefully my quest will lead me to someone that I'll spend the rest of my life with. I'm serious about this.
Right. And be aware, when you date Umberto, it's a reality show. We might follow along with some cameras. And don't forget to subscribe. That's the only way you're gonna get notified about how we are doing this. So
remember, Miss Universe is from the Philippines.
oh yeah, that was a big thing. That was a big thing this week.
Oh yeah.
The neighbors were screaming here, and I thought they got robbed or something, but they actually was screaming because of.
Congratulations!
Yeah.
She's a very, very beautiful.
Very beautiful lady, and she is very talented. It seems too. So again, don't forget to subscribe, and we'll see you in about a week. God bless. Bye-bye.